back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be with a bank. Of course, this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But real quickly, before we dive on in, I just want to say that if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Lindsay, and this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs, and sharing them with you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. But with that being said, U.S. Bank is hiring a credit dispute case processor. This is remote for the United States. Now, they are accepting applications through July 11th. At the time of filming this, it is July 7th. So if you're interested in this position, don't wait. Go ahead and get that application in. They're looking for somebody to start by August 28th, and they want somebody, even though they're hiring throughout the United States, who can work Monday through Friday 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your time zone to that time zone to see if that works for you. But this is an entry-level position. They're looking for somebody to research and perform a reasonable investigation for customer accounts related to billing errors and fraud claims. Your primary responsibilities will be managing the dispute and fraud caseload by researching, investigating, documenting, and resolving the claims. You'll use MasterCard and Visa regulations to resolve customer complaints and claims. Your customer claims will be governed by Banking Regulations E and Regulation Z, requiring provisional credits, fees, interest, and cardholder communications to be completed within certain time frames. So this position requires a high level of accuracy and attention to detail. While it's not a call center position where you'll be taking incoming calls, communication with customers through telephone and written correspondence is required. So you're working on a case, you do your investigation, you'll probably have to pick up the phone and call the customer and let them know the outcome of your investigation. Now, good thing about this position, they don't require any kind of college degree. They just want somebody who has a high school diploma or GED and at least 1 year of customer service experience. If you have experience working in financial industries and banking industry, that is preferred. They want somebody who can demonstrate knowledge of bank regulations, MasterCard, Visa regulations, somebody who has good time management skills, great communication skills, and can be a problem solver. If this is you, pay is anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $22 an hour. And they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.